By the way, he just joined our company. Like people are learning a lot of things to become a digital market, to come in a digital marketing. But in the real field and the like ground reality, what software you are using here?
Mainly, they are focusing TikTok, Snapchat.
No, like did someone tell you this? As any company told you this? Like okay, we cannot hire you because you don't have any experience of Dubai.
Yeah.
ओवरऑल हाउ डिड यू फाइंड द सैलरीज हियर इन दुबई? अस्सलाम वालेकुम, आई होप आप सब लोग ठीक होंगे। और मैं हूँ इस वक्त वापस जा रहा हूँ घर, छुट्टी हो गई है। और मेरे साथ जा रहा है सना, फेमस यूट्यूबर फ्रॉम श्रीलंका।
I am not a big fan. Bigger guy.
बिगर यूट्यूबर?
No. I am small. I have 1,000 subscribers only.
Man, you are a streamer. You used to stream like on Twitch or YouTube?
Not too much. I am streaming in Sri Lanka, Facebook only.
By the way, he just joined our company as a digital you are
digital
sorry
marketing specialist.
normally मुझे पता ही नहीं होता जब हमारे कंपनी में कोई ज्वाइन कर लेता है, मुझे पता ही नहीं होता कि ये बंदा इतना पता होता कि ये मतलब कोई काम कर रहा है, ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर है ये, बट एग्जैक्टली मुझे पता नहीं होता कि ये किस लिए हायर हुआ है। सो आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू फ्यू क्वेश्चन ब्रदर, if you are ready.
Sure.
So first question is this: what are you doing in our company? What the hell are you doing there?
Actually, I'm doing. My job position is a digital marketing specialist.
Okay.
So I'm doing the digital marketing for icon advertising.
Okay.
So I'm handling few clients and advertising for them, paid media and content specialized. Everything I'm doing for the digital media.
For the digital media.
Yeah.
Mainly. Okay. How many years experience do you have?
In Sri Lanka, I have 4 years.
Okay.
In here, 1 month.
In Sri Lanka you have
4 years.
4 years. So you just came to Dubai. This is your first job.
Yes, this is my first job.
Okay.
And it's work with you.
You are working with me. You are very lucky.
Yeah, actually.
Congratulations by the way.
Yeah.
Or okay. Tell me, because a lot of people are watching this video, like who want to come in digital media field, or maybe they are just learning, maybe they are beginners, or what software, what happened here? Accident हुआ है यार, पीछे लोग खड़े हैं, वो कर रहे हैं, accident हुआ है। Okay, so I was asking, what software exactly you are using here? Like you are using Facebook, some Facebook tools or some Google. What should people learn? What exactly? Like people are learning a lot of things to become a digital market, to come in a digital marketing. But in the real field and the like ground reality, what software you are using here?
Actually, we have to learn everything. As a digital marketer, because we are working on digital.
Okay.
Because Facebook, it's just a social media platform.
Okay.
Facebook, Instagram, it's just platform.
Okay.
So we have to learn Google, Snapchat, TikTok, LinkedIn, everything for the digital media.
Okay.
So you are any specialized for the specific channel, you can't be a digital marketer.
Okay.
But you have to overall knowledge to be a digital marketer. So
Okay.
if
So
you can,
okay.
Thing is this: as a web developer, you all know the one language.
Okay.
Right? You know the one language.
Yeah, I
so
will.
you know the core of the developing system.
Yes.
Core.
Yeah.
So, but you know one language. You are specialized for that. That just like that way, you are specialized for the one platform, but you have to know everything for the digital marketing. Yeah.
Maybe it was confusing for some people. I will just summarize it. You correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
You are saying like if you are coming to a digital marketing field, you should know everything. You should come with a complete preparation.
Yeah.
It's not like just you learn about TikTok and you come to digital marketing.
Yeah.
Even if you are expert in TikTok marketing or Facebook marketing, you can't be a digital marketing.
Yeah.
You have to know everything.
Yeah. Definitely.
Okay.
But you are know the core of one market. You can learn it. You can learn it easily.
Okay. Like if you learn one, the rest of the platform will be easy for you.
Yeah, definitely. That's why I explained.
Okay. So it's all the platforms are almost the same. Just
Yeah,
a little like a little bit.
Yeah.
But the first thing I think the main is these days are Facebook and TikTok are mainly.
For the here,
Uh,
this for the Dubai, Snapchat and TikTok definitely we have to learn.
okay.
The
Even
it's-
Snapchat.
Yeah.
People are using Snapchat here.
Yeah, here because these days I'm doing the campaigns, lot of campaigns for the Snapchat. It's worth.
Okay.
It's worth. So in here.
Okay.
So in here mainly they are focusing TikTok, Snapchat and Google Lens.
Okay. What is different between working in Sri Lanka and here in Dubai? Is it Dubai is different? How did you find it?
Thing is this culture is different.
Okay.
So working culture, working
Let's go.
life. Oh, yeah. Working culture, working life is different,
Okay.
but platforms are same. So you, what you do, you can do anywhere.
Okay.
Sri
One
Lanka-
more thing, like
That's it.
when you came to Dubai and you were doing interviews and everything,
Yeah.
anybody asked you like, we cannot hire you because you don't have the Dubai experience?
Yeah,
and
I had a lot of experience.
No, like did someone tell you this? As any company told you this, like, okay, we cannot hire you because you don't have any experience
Yeah.
of Dubai?
Yeah,
How many interviews did you do before coming to our company?
yeah. Actually, I don't go to the interview.
Okay.
I had 3 interviews only.
Okay.
One of Icon and 2 others a client side,
Okay.
which means another one brand
Okay.
I have to do. So they always telling me you don't have a experience in Dubai.
Okay.
So that's the reason because.
But I don't think you need like
Yeah.
you need experience of Dubai for to be a
Digital marketer.
like digital marketing like to get a job here in Dubai.
Definitely.
If you know if you are working in Pakistan, India or Sri Lanka, these are all the platforms are the same.
Same.
Facebook is everywhere the same. It's not
Yeah.
like they are different for Sri Lanka, different for Pakistan.
Yeah, that's
it's
why
not like
I'm
this.
also saying that way. So thing is this, we can't change their mind
Okay.
because they are the hiring people. They we can say
Okay.
these platforms are same. This Sri Lanka is the same. Pakistan is same. But
Okay.
we can't put it their mind. This is the thing.
Okay.
So
One more thing, I will ask you, you don't have to say the amount, but are you happy with the salary here?
yeah, actually,
You are happy?
yeah.
Okay. So before
this
coming
is,
to before coming to this company, did other companies offer you the same amount, or like you are overall? How did you find the salaries here in Dubai?
This is my first
Uh,
agency interview and
Uh.
agency job interview and agency what means agency call, right? Which means they are first interview, right?
uh,
So I got the job,
okay.
but other 2 companies are client side. They are not. I'm not that happy with their budget.
Okay.
But
like
it-
they offer you salary, but you are not. You
No,
it
I'm
was
not
less.
happy.
Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing, एक और चीज़ आप लोगों को यहाँ इस पूरे वीडियो से पता चल गया होगा कि इंग्लिश जो है ना, इट्स जस्ट अ लैंग्वेज. इंग्लिश इतना मतलब आपको इतनी आनी चाहिए जितने बस ये सेको सना. बाय द वे हिज नेम इज सना.
No, my name is Sankalp. My name is Sankalp.
But you are Sana, right?
Yeah, Sana.
Yeah, we call him Sana. He told us that we call me Sana. It's a short form. तो बता मैं रहा था इंग्लिश के बारे में. इंग्लिश आपको इतनी आनी चाहिए कि आप इतनी बात कर सको. मेरी भी कोई इतनी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं, मेरी भी गुलाबी इंग्लिश है. और इसकी इंग्लिश तो माशाल्लाह इसका तो बात करके मुझे भी ऐसा लग रहा है कि मैं इंग्लिश का प्रोफेसर हूँ. तो आपको जो स्किल्स है ना, स्किल्स पे फोकस करना चाहिए. चाहे वो आप डेवलपमेंट में हो, चाहे डिजिटल में हो, चाहे ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर हो, उस पे फोकस करो. इंग्लिश तो है ना टाइम के साथ खुद आ ही जाती है. अभी हाजी now you came to Dubai. After 2 years you will watch this video and you will laugh. Oh, this is how I was speaking like.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. In 2 years you will see how his English got improved.
Yeah, definitely.
So English ये सब आ जाती है. स्किल्स पे फोकस करनी चाहिए.
Definitely.
And we will definitely do another video with Sana. तो I hope आप लोग की वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी. मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अल्लाह हाफिज़. Bye.
Bye. See you.
Bye. Okay, bye.
Okay. Bye.
You want try?
No.
Come.
No. Bye. See you. See you
Bye.
tomorrow.
See you.